Hey guys, Gavin here, and today this is having you seen yet. This is a 42-inch Encanto spinner ceiling fan. It's installed on in this cabana at one of my cousin's grandparents' house. I'll take you a closer look. You see the blade pitches. You can see the brackets. Okay, so yeah, let's start off with the light. Is the light? Let's do one speed because I can't reach. This thing's powerful. See? Yeah. Use the light on the fan on high, and it's still off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video, link in the description. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more videos. You don't have to, but you can see it. Bye.